Pick up and hold the baby. Sometimes, all a baby wants is to be close to someone. Try holding the baby against your chest, supporting their head, and gently rocking back and forth. Swaddle the baby. Swaddling can help a baby feel secure and comforted, which can stop them from crying. Use white noise. White noise can help to soothe the baby by mimicking the sounds they heard while in the womb. You can use a white noise machine or a recording of a vacuum cleaner or hair dryer. Offer a pacifier. If the baby is old enough to use one, a pacifier can be a quick fix for a crying baby. Give the baby a massage. Gently rubbing the baby's back, arms, or legs can help to calm them down and stop them from crying. Take the baby for a walk. Sometimes, a change of scenery can help to soothe a crying baby. Taking a walk or going for a drive can help to calm them down. Try to identify the cause of the crying. If the baby is hungry, needs a diaper change, or is too hot or cold, addressing the issue can help to quickly stop the crying.